In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades on your Kia Sorento. Located in the front windshield, let's get started. Moving on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead and lift the wiper. We're going to move it forward, and there's a clip underneath that we're going to press and slide it out. When you do this, you want to make sure that this doesn't fall onto the windshield. It could crack it, so just keep that in mind. Before we install the new one, we want to make sure we remove the protector cover. Simply slide it off. And now we're ready to installation. We're going to line it up the same way as it came out. And you're going to hear for a click. And now you're ready to just bring your wiper down. And that will be the same process for the opposite side.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.